what's up everybody? Landon with LMR.com. It's dyno day. It's been a while since we've had an OBS Bronco on the dyno, but today that's what we're dynoing. This is LMR's 1996 Toreador Red Eddie Bauer Bronco. This is a really good, clean example of an OBS Bronco. This truck here has a 5.8 liter engine with around 164,000 miles. We've had it a little while now. I know I've personally done quite a bit of stuff to this truck, mainly restorative. I mean, after all, that's what we do, but it does have some OEM plus mods to it elsewhere throughout the vehicle as well, such as the LMR lift kit, as well as the SVE 10-hole factory style 15x7-inch wheels. So getting into it, the dyno technical data, all this Bronco has is a set of JBA Shorty Headers, a Bassani catted mid-pipe, and a Bassani catback exhaust. We're running 93 octane fuel. For what it's worth, the 5.8 liter Windsors were rated at 205 horsepower and 328 pound-feet of torque. Oh, E4OD transmission, 355 gear. This is a four-wheel drive truck as well. So the pull, we're not gonna deal with one-to-one simply because if we have it in third gear, it's gonna downshift. So we're just gonna stick with second gear and let it rip. So make a quick trip around the Bronco, make sure we're good to go, and it's go time. All right, let's take a look at some results. Felt really good. So let's see if that translates to some numbers. So did 2 runs, but we're only gonna talk about one today. The LMR Bronco making some pretty good power. 178.4 horsepower at 3,800 RPM. And then we're looking at about 298.7 pound-feet of torque at 2,300 RPM. But I wanna stop and look at the graph here a little bit with you. Whenever you hit it on the dyno, you know, you do kind of have probably some converter stuff going on. So you get a little bit of an RPM spike. I think realistically torque is probably around the 285 mark, which is still great, especially since these were rated at 205 horse, 328 torque, and we're turning a big old, 33-inch tire. We got excited when we did the exhaust. I didn't do a before run on this particular Bronco, but we do have another one to reference. It's a 96 Bronco as well. We call it the Juice for obvious reasons, but that truck was all stock, as well as a lot less tire, 265, 75, 15. And that Bronco made 165.1 horsepower at 3,600 RPM and then 258.9 pound-feet of torque at 3,300 RPM. So 13 horsepower increase, and then right at 20 pound-feet with some solid curb gains. So this Bronco here definitely a little bit peppier than the Juice, even with the tire. So that exhaust is probably definitely helping out, because the factory exhaust, you've got catalytic converters, you got a big old muffler there that's kind of choking some things up. So it's really nice to drive. It goes down the road great. We have the LMR lift kit on this particular Bronco. Again, very OEM or OE plus, whichever way you want to call it. And I know with the time I've had in this thing, I really enjoy it. Definitely one of my favorite vehicles here in the LMR fleet. So let us know what you think. As always, if you find value in what we're doing, please consider liking the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. And then until we see you in the next one, for all things OBS Bronco, keep it right here with the Real Enthusiasts, LMR.com.